Icons of India. Who is this? This is P.T. Usha. She is known as the Queen of Indian track and field. She has won over 100 international medals. Oh, who is this? This is Deepa Karmakar. She is a very talented gymnast. She represented India in the 2014 Commonwealth Games. Who is this? This is Mithali Raj. She is the captain of the women's cricket team in India. She is the first Indian woman to complete 20 years in international cricket. Who is this? This is Sania Mirza. She is one of the best tennis players in India. She started playing tennis from the age of 12. Who is this? This is Mary Kom. She is the only woman to become World Amateur Boxing Champion 6 times. Who is this? This is Dhyan Chand. He is a nationally known hockey player. He was nicknamed the Wizard because of his amazing goal-scoring skills. Who is this? This is Milkha Singh. He is the most famous sprinter in the country. He was also the first Indian athlete to win a gold medal in the Commonwealth Games. Who is this? This is Sachin Tendulkar. He used to be the captain of the Indian cricket team. He is regarded as the greatest batsman in cricket history. Who is this? This is Vishwanathan Anand. He is not only India's greatest chess player, but he is also considered to be one of the very best in the world. Who is this? This is P.V. Sindhu. She is an Indian professional badminton player. She also holds the record of being the only singles Indian player in the sport to have won an Olympic silver. Who is this? This is Pankaj Advani. Pankaj Advani is an 18-time world billiards and snooker champion. He won his first world title at the age of 18. Who is this? This is Abhinav Bindra. He is a world-renowned sport shooter. He is also the first Indian individual athlete to win a gold medal in the Olympic Games. Who is this? This is Virat Kohli. He is a famous Indian international cricketer. He is the present captain of India's cricket team. Who is this? This is Kapil Dev. He is a former Indian cricket player. He is regarded as one of the greatest captains in the history of cricket. Who is this? This is Karnam Malleshwari. She is a former weightlifter. She is also the first Indian woman to win a medal at the Olympics. Who is this? This is Mariyappan Thangavelu. He is an Indian Paralympic high jumper. Since 2004, he is India's first Paralympic gold medalist. Who is this? This is Babita Phogat. She is an Indian female wrestler. She has won numerous medals both internationally as well as nationally. Who is this? This is Hima Das. She is an Indian sprinter. She holds the current Indian national record in 400 meters with a timing of 50.79 seconds.